Wow, there's a lot going on at the Ohio Expo Center, and during the Ohio RV and Boat Show, there's a new entryway to get to it. See this yellow line here with the red arrows? Follow that yellow line. I'm going to show you a video of this actual path, and you can park in the Voinovich Center lot where the bus is there that'll shuttle you back and forth to Celeste Center, the Bricker building, but this is the most convenient way to do it. Or you can park right up front. Here's the video. Okay, so if you're coming off the freeway, you're going to see the big signs. Ohio Expo Center is this way. You're going to get in the right-hand lanes. The 17th Avenue road looks like it's closed. See the road closed sign? But follow the signs. Ohio Expo Center, go to the right. And I know it's against what you're trying to do because you're trying to go south of 17 for the Ohio Expo or the Ohio RV and Boat Show. But you go through the ticket booths. They're very easy to get through. Wait in line. Now, I'm taking you through this where there's no traffic. But there will be traffic. There's a multitude of events going on, but you'll just stay in these lanes. Now, as you come up past the ticket booth, you're just going to veer around this road and it's going to come to a stop sign. Now you're going to come up here and turn left. You're going to simply turn left and go down this road. This road will take you right to the Ohio RV and Boat Show. You're approaching 17th Avenue, which crosses this road. You'll see these steel plates on the road. There's the stop sign. Now you're at 17th Avenue. You're going to continue straight across this road. Now this is a very bumpy area, so just be cautious when you're coming through there because there is a lot of things going on.